My Netflix history's been really weird. What's going on? Well, you have the remote, so let's see. Why are you searching for that? And? Okay. Instead of being sussy, let's play smash or pass. It's easy. I've got 10 famous dogs here, so hit the button smash or pass.
Pass.
Lie down. Cheeky. Okay, so first up we've got Kylo the Doge. Oh, was that a smash? Nearly? You thinking about it? Come on, I know you like Kylo.
Smash.
Yes! Next we got Tucker from Tucker Budson. Instant smash. Okay. Bit of a wild card for you, Skye from Don't Stop Meowing.
Pass.
Okay, quick pass. Pretty cat though. Biscuit, the twerking TikTok dog.
Smash.
Max from Shiba...
Smash.
Oh,
Smash.
Shiba Nation.
Smash. Smash. Smash.
Whoa, okay, somebody has a crush
Smash.
on Max.
Smash.
Okay, this one's Pudgy Woke from TikTok. What do you think?
Pass.
So this... Oh, sorry, am I boring you? So this dog is a Burger Masco dog.
Pass.
Hard pass, okay. The floofy Skaya Siberian. You gotta hit the button.
Smash.
This is Hammy from Hammy and Olivia, the potato.
Pass.
Really?
Smash.
Ah, I thought so. And finally, Maya the Samoyed.
Smash.
I tried to pick a good picture for you. What do you think?
Smash.
Whoa, okay, she's reeling from this.
Smash.
Do you want to do some more? Maybe next time.